In celebrities' birthday, today is the birthday of Zoe Isabella Kravitz, better known as Zoe Kravitz. She is an American actress, singer, and songwriter. She was born on 1st of December in 1988. Today she is celebrating her birthday of 35 years old. Zoe Kravitz has made her film acting in a romantic movie called No Reservations. Other movies in which Zoe Kravitz acted in are No Reservation, released in 2007, The Brave One in 2007, Assassination of High School President in 2008, Birds of America in 2008, The Greatest in 2009, 12 in 2010, Beware the Gonzo in 2010, It's Kind of a Funny Story in 2010, X-Men in 2011, Treading Water in 2013, After Earth in 2013, Divergent in 2014, Pretend We Are Kissing in 2014, The Lord Within in 2014, Good Kill in 2014, Dope in 2015, The Divergent Series in 2015, Mad Max Fury Road in 2015, Tool Legit in 2016, The Divergent Series in 2016, Adam Green's Aladdin in 2016, Fantastic, The Lego Batman Movie in 2016, Gemini in 2016, Movie Sound Effect in 2016, Kinnyi in 2018, Fantastic Beasts in 2016, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse in 2018, Vienna and the Phantom Menace in 2020, Kimi in 2022, The Bat. Wishing happy birthday to Zoe Kravitz. Thank you for watching.